If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
For a country full of women obsessed with gold, what's better than adding a little bit of 24 karat gold even to your makeup look? Hi, I'm Sonam and today I'm going to show you how to add a royal touch to your regular smoky eye. Starting with the eyes, you definitely want to go in with an eyeshadow primer to keep this look in place and also bring out the vibrancy of your eyeshadows. Now go in with a dark nude matte shade all over your crease. All eyeshadows I'll be using today are matte to bring out the gold foil's metallic sheen. Add a deeper brown shade to the outer corner of your eyes to create a feline shape. Add a medium brown shade to the center of the eyelid to get a sort of smoky halo base for the foil. Finish off with tightlining the eyes and also create a smoky wing to add dimension. For a seamless blend, work one eye at a time. Use a smudger brush or a Q-tip to diffuse the harsh edges. Now for my lower lash line, I'm following the same format of the darkest color on the outer corners, medium color in the center, and the lightest color on the inner corners of my eye. So I have my eyeshadow in place and now comes the fun part. The best thing about gold leaf is you need no glue because it just sticks to your skin automatically. Come, let's do this. To secure your gold leaf in place, keep patting it down so it doesn't shift and move. So as you can see, you want to go very slow with building up the foil instead of putting the entire sheet on your eye in one go. Be patient with this one. So once you're finally satisfied with the amount of gold on your eyes, you can either add a black eyeliner to intensify the look, but I think I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter and mascara and finish it off. Finish off the eyes with your favorite heavy volume mascara. You could always add lashes to add some more drama. For fallouts, clean the lashes with a lash comb. For my lips and cheeks, I'm going in with the same color to keep my look more cohesive. So I've matched my lip and cheek tint with my outfit. You can go ahead with your favorite bright lipstick. You can also add in a little bit of highlighter if you feel like. Just keep everything in gold tone so it kind of matches with the foil on your eyes. I hope you enjoyed watching this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please do leave your comments or queries down below. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.